We made a box.
I like good boxes. That's a good box.
And now it is a wet box. Okay, let's try it out.
That was pretty cool. I approve.
So we got this idea after Mitchell sent me a video of somebody doing something similar, but
worse.
a lot less cool.
They used a BB gun instead of a water jet, so we're way better than that.
Like, who doesn't have a water jet? Like, just use a water jet.
Yeah, BB guns are dumb.
So we've got our high speed set up, lots of light. Now we just got to put in things.
Let's go get some things.
Speaking of things, Raycon earbuds. Raycon is disrupting the electronics industry with premium wireless audio at half the price, but none of the compromise. Raycon is prioritizing the customer experience from start to finish, including having a 45-day return policy. They come in a variety of colors, and celebrities including J.R. Smith and Mike Tyson are obsessed with them.
Raycon earbuds give you 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing, and more bass. Plus, they have a nice, compact, noise-isolating fit.
Raycons are perfect for those times that you need a break from a screen, whether that's with audiobooks, podcasts, or just working around the house. Click on the link in the description box below, or go to buyraycon.com/waterjet to get 15% off your Raycon purchase. Again, that's buyraycon.com/waterjet for 15% off your order right now. Things.
If you break them, maybe you owe me $5.
Wasn't agreed upon. Do I have to stop now?
Okay, now you have to stop without breaking them. Oh! Okay, we've got everything fixtured up using straws, super glue, and metal and wood plates, and yeah.
We want everything to sink so it's glued to a metal plate, and then we'll water jet it.
So it stays right in frame. First thing we're gonna do though is a balsamic vinaigrette, because look at all the oil in that. Think it's gonna work?
Always. Pump on?
We need to go. Oh gosh! Yes, sir! Oh my gosh, that hurt. Ah, it's everywhere. So our issue there was we had the nozzle in the top of the bottle because the bottle was too tall, and it just had nowhere to escape.
It pressurized the bottle and it was just shot everywhere.
Lesson learned, we won't do that again. Okay, ready when you are. Hit it dead center, but it wasn't that cool, so we're gonna go with
Dr. Pepper's cooler?
on its side, maybe?
What's on here?
Oh,
that's
balsamic vinegar.
salad dressing.
Ready?
Going.
That's what we wanted.
Unfolded.
Yeah, that was...
Is that the entrance? Oh no, that was where it glued. That's where
it came out.
That's crazy.
Neat. Happened quicker than I thought it was going to. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right, so water. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Abrasive.
Oh, it went through it already.
Should I stop?
Yeah. Yeah.
Took abrasive to get through that, and now you can see why water jets are so dirty. Is that was just seconds with the abrasive on, and this is hours with the abrasive on, like 900 hours. That one wasn't as cool, but
Subscribe.
and let us know down in the comments if we did it better. I hope so, or else this was a big waste of time.